guys, welcome back to Choose Your Own Path. Today we got a package. Get your package. This is from my buddy Vincent. Fortunately, he's in Quebec. I'm kind of scared to see what it is, but let's open it up and see what it is. He didn't tell me. He wouldn't tell me what it is. So we're gonna check it out. Now I'm kind of scared. He always fools around and you never know what the hell he's gonna do. But let's check it out, what he's got. What did he send us? Oh, well, he gave us some bubble wrap. That's cool. Oh, check this out. That is super wicked. Look at that. Get that out of the way. Boba Fett Bounty Hunter. This is done on his CNC machine. That is super cool. Look at that. I love it. On a nice piece of wood, that's gonna go great in my shop. Right on. Look at the detail. That is great. He does some really good work, guys. If you're wanting something done out of a CNC and they got a laser engraver and all that, you know, you could hit me up and I could tell you where to get a hold of him, or you can look on Facebook under Vincent. Fortunately, he's from Quebec. So yeah. Anyway, big thank you to my buddy. This is awesome. It's going in my shop. Get out of the way. The bubble wrap. I love it. Thanks, buddy. Okay, guys. If I could do it, you could do it. This brightened up my day from my last video. So choose your own path. See you on the next one.